May I start the proceedings with the permission of Honorable Chief Justice? May I read the warrant of appointment with the permission of Honorable Chief Justice? The warrant under the hand and I close.
Honorable divisions.
I wish to thank the President of India, His Excellency, responding, reposing the responsibility of Tripura Governor, and I will see my best for the development of Tripura, and I want to bring the transparency, empowerment and accountability. With this, with the local government Chief Minister Manik Saha, with him, with his cooperation, I will see my best the development of Tripura and Tripura's people. I will meet you again for interaction and press conference. Today I want to tell the same thing. Thank you.